Good day everyone. I am Raymer Quakin from BSIT 3F. So in this video, I'll be showing you my 70% work in progress in the final requirement of user experience design. So here I use Adobe XD to do my final exam. I mean my final requirement. So the task, I will just recall the previous task that I did, which is doing a e-commerce website and mobile design. So let's proceed to my mobile design. So for mobile design, this is the front page, and then this is the signing screen where you will need to log in your details if you're already if you already have an account to the coffee shop. So here you can see username, password, then the sign in button, and then details, and then of course this one. So if you click the sign in, if you are already registered, then click sign in, and then you will see the menu page. But before that, let's proceed on here. So if you're a new user, you can click the join now to register. Just type your username, full name, your email address, the password, and then create account. So if you create account, you will see the home menu. So for our home menu, also for our system, for our mobile system, we have a 5 navigation bar for home menu. Excuse me. So for home, orders, for home menu, orders, track orders, and for profile. So for our home, we can see the search button, the search bar rather. You can search the product that you want. So in here there is a default product here, which is the best seller of this shop. So that's it. And then for the next one, you can see the category of the product of the shop. So from espresso bar, latte flavored, trendy and seasonal, non-coffee, breakfast and pastry, and then the sandwiches, and then Italian pasta. So all of these cards are clickable. So if you click the lattes and flavored, you will be directed to the screen for lattes and flavor. So here, so that, then you can scroll up, then that, then let's try for the non-coffee. For non-coffee, this one, you can browse, you can see the available product. And then for this, I also put this one, the shop logo, and then the tagline, and then the address of the shop. So for here, there is a featured menu. So here, so this one also clickable. So if you like that, and so on and so forth. And also you can just select or click the view all to view the menu. And then the next one is the gift, the vouchers. And then on the on the bottom, you can see the bestseller product. So for this, the bestseller, you can click this one. You can click and then this. So for this card is for for the add to cart. So like that. Then for all, okay, let's go back to the home. So that's the home menu for home page. For our menu page, this one, you can swipe this or just click to to see all the products of the shop. Also, this one can be swiped right and swipe left. And then for this hamburger icon, this is for the categorized icon. So like this, if you desire to order a non-coffee drink, you just click this one and then taran, you will see the non-coffee product. And then again, let's try the, if we want a light bites or the sandwiches, just click and then that's it. So for search, same with this. And then let's go for the orders. So for the orders, you will see your history, the history. So for all, you can see all the orders you've made. And then for ongoing, this is the product that maybe you're about to receive. For completed, or this is like already shipped, this one. Then for the canceled, like that. And then let's go to track order menu. So for the track order menu, for the track order navigation bar, you will see the time of your delivery time. So for also here, there's an icon where you can see if it's already in the kitchen or if it's about to deliver on your place. And so here you can also, so on this tracking order page, you can there is a link for you to view your view order summary. So for this one, so you can see, you will be directed on the ongoing button on the orders. So for profile, for profile, this is the design for profile. You will see your personal information. For your personal information, you can edit your personal information. So for the address, you can also edit your address or update. And for this one, there is an history of your order. So you can also click this by clicking, you can also click your history by clicking view purchase. It's like that. So again, let's go back for the profile navigation bar. And then for the terms and condition, you can see this one. For the privacy notice, okay. For the logout, charan. So if you wish to place your order, you can go on your cart, added cart. This one also can be clickable, like this one. So for here, if you are already done to your order, if you are done to your order, you can view your cart, and then if you're this one, so for the checkout screen, you can see select payment method. For select payment method, you have credit card, Paymaya, GCash, and then a cash. So if you are senior citizen and PWID, you can also link your ID here. And then the last one is you can apply your vouchers. So also, if you haven't done on your order, you can still add item and then you will proceed on the menu bar. So let's go back again. Then let's go to our cart. Let's go to our cart. And then view cart. And then place order. If you place order, you will see this screen where it says order submitted, and then thank you for choosing 103, and then view order. So view order, like the summary of your order, then that's it. That's the so for my website design. For my website design, let's play this one. For my website design, there is a menu. This is my front page, but if you click all this navigation bar, you will be needed to sign in first. So let's go back then you can scroll down, and then you will see details for my product list, like this one, that one, and then that one, then that one. Then to start an order, if you then sign in, then same with my mobile design, you will be needing to sign in, and then if you don't have yet an account, you can register, join here, then just put your details here and then create an account. So if you already created an account, you can see the navigation bar for the menu, gifts. This is the gift or the vouchers, and then the tracking orders or the track order. Again, you will see the time for your order, then view, and then for your summary order, you will see, and then the total of your order. And then for the cart also, this is the page for you to place your order. So for your place order, it says here review your items before placing order. So you can see here the one, and then you can add items. So on this screen also, it shows recommendation product for you, and then the one, and then for the total, you can see here, and then select payment method, the one, and then the senior ID, and then apply voucher, also this one. So if you're already done with your order, you can already place your order. So that's it. Then view order, this one. So now we are already on our profile page. For our profile page, I put the personal details. Your personal details can be edited. You can edit your full name, contact number, email address, and then your shipping address. Just click the button. And then the wish list. Wish list is for the items you're about to check out very soon. So there is also a link for this. Proceed to checkout. Come on, see, then place order. So let's go back for the user profile for wish list, and then we're done on the wish list part, and then let's go back for our order. For our orders, this means like our history. So here, and then ongoing, and then completed, and then the canceled order. So I also included on the user's profile the terms and condition, and then the privacy notice. So like that, and then privacy notice. So let's go back for our menu. For our menu, there's also I also categorize this one uh, by this picture for my drinks, and also for the foods. So this is also clickable, like the one. Then all this is clickable, like the one. Function, hit all function, and then for breakfast, Italian. So like that. So that's my website design for my coffee shops. So then let's log out. Let's log out. Okay. So let's proceed to my website admin. So right now, this is my admin account. So my admin account consists a dashboard, product management, order management, customer management, reports, and analysis. Wait. Reports and reports and analysis. For the dashboard, you can see the sales, the orders, the customer, and then the lost stock. So you can see also. So for my dashboard, it's just a mixed representation for for daily, weeks, and then monthly. So for here, you can see the sales, orders, and the customer for my daily, and then it shows also the monthly product sales via graph, and it says that it says that the total is 10,500 cups for a monthly sales. So here there is also recent orders, this one, the order number, and then for the bestseller, this one, and then the low stock. So for my product management, you will see this one. The product management is on this page. You can see the product that my my shop and offer also. And then for this one, the filter for all, you can see this one. If you want the drinks, this one, and all the drinks. And then if you want the foods, this one. So everything here, so every icon here is clickable also. If you want to delete this item, you can click the delete icon, and then that's it. The item has been removed from the menu. So if you also want to edit this part, this item, you can click this, and then you can update the product name, the description, the price and quantity, and also you can change the product image, and then just click the update product. So that's it. The item is successfully updated from the menu. In terms of adding a product, it's also clickable, so you can add. I have a screen where you can up you can add a new product. So you can add the product image here, the product name, description, price, and then quantity, and then just click the add new product button, and then the new product is successfully added on the menu. So so let's go back. So let's go on our order management. For our order management, just simple. You can see the order number with the name, the items, the payment, and then the status. So for the status, you can see if already shipped, refund, canceled, and then ship. So you can also filter this one if you wish just to see the the if you wish to see all the items that was refunded, and then you can click this one. So here, if you want on the canceled items, here you can see. So on the next part is the customer management. So for the customer management, I put the name, dates, and then the contact. So here, the preview, and then all of this customer, you can see the more details, the more detailed information. So like this one, for Anne, we can just click the file icon, and then click this one, and then see. You can you can you can see or review, or you can see her order history, the name, the dates, contact, payment, and then the status, and also here, and then the total of her product. And then for the customer management page, there's also filter by like all, this week, last week, and last month. For all, you can see all the the users or the customers, and then this week you can see here, and then last week, that one, it says already last week, and then for last month. So let's proceed to our let's proceed to our for our analytics or our reports. For our reports, I for our report for the report page, I included the sales orders, the customers, and the low stock. So here you can also, again, you can see the daily products, and then this one. So here there's also the filter icon to for you to easily to go on the desired page you want. For like example, you want to see the sale or the progress of your shop monthly. So here, see, it has a different amount on week, on yearly. So here. So that's it. thank you for today's, and thank you so much for watching.